Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing the area and putting on gloves and eye protection, safety first. Remove the top rails or fasteners that lock panels to posts, then lift panels free. Work with a partner for long pieces. Once done, set panels flat on a tarp, label each end, and collect screws and brackets in a container so you don't lose reusable hardware. Make sure to note buried post locations before digging, because locating them now saves time and prevents surprise damage later. Now you tackle the heavy middle work, exposing and extracting posts. Dig a trench around each post about 12 to 18 inches out so you can see the full concrete footing. This reduces leverage issues. Then, use a bottle jack or mechanical post puller to lift the post straight up. Apply steady force, not jerks. If the post is concrete set and won't budge, cut the post near ground level with a reciprocating saw and break the concrete with a pry bar and hammer. Removing chunks, finish by cleaning each hole. Remove debris, then backfill with gravel for drainage and compacted soil to grade. Add topsoil and seed or sod for a neat look. Recycle vinyl panels and hardware if possible, and handle concrete disposal according to local rules. If a post refuses to move, dig deeper around the footing, apply penetrating lubricant, and use steady mechanical leverage. Avoid excessive force that could snap tools. Make sure to recheck the area for buried utilities before any deeper work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.